Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would pop on and give you guys a haul. I just came from Wholefoods, so I have a few items. And if you hear crunching in the background, that is my pup again eating. She thinks that when I come in here and start filming, it's time to start eating. So please excuse the crunching if you hear any crunching. So this is not a part of the haul, but I did get this from Wholefoods about a week ago. I got several of them. They were on sale. They're really good. It's just spring water, sparkling water, but it has, like, it's infused with dark morello cherry. So it's just a hint. If you're familiar with LaCroix, it's very similar to that type of, just like a whisper of a flavor, but it's delicious and very refreshing. Yeah, it's a good way to get your water in. Give it a little interesting taste. So this is the first thing that I got. These are really good. I'm actually on the Master Cleanse right now. And these are convenient to have around if you're going to be out and about and you don't want to make your Master Cleanse batch and bring it with you. You can just get one of these. Or if you're already out and you ran out, you can just run into a Wholefoods and get one of these. So it's Master Cleanse, Super 8 organic, and everything that you would put into it yourself is what's in here. There's water, organic lemon juice, organic maple syrup, and organic cayenne pepper, and that's it. So you don't have to worry about it being compromised by other things and you're trying to be like on a strict Master Cleanse diet. That is what I got there. So what else did I get? These are really fun. I got this Health Aid kombucha. It's their holiday cheer, which I've never had, so I'm excited to try these when I can. It says it's a festive probiotic tea, so that's kind of cute. And then there's a little reindeer there. So I cannot believe October is almost over. So I got two of these to try those out. I don't know if you've ever seen them before, but I'm interested to see how they taste. I think I was trying to figure out what was supposed to be the holiday flavor of it, and I think it's just the ginger, but it says it has notes of ginger, allspice, chocolate, and more. So that's interesting. The chocolate part is really interesting too. I thought it was going to say peppermint, but it doesn't say anything about peppermint. What else did I get? I got some hemp milk. So I got this unsweetened vanilla hemp milk, and it has 3.5 omegas, 3 and 6, no sugar, no nuts, no soy, no gluten. And I think that's pretty cool to try in smoothies, you know, in coffee, or have it with cereal. There's 50 calories per cup, not bad. And the hemp is shelled. It's the shelled seed that they're using to make it. A little bit of sea salt, B12, D, B2, and vitamin A. So it looks like it's pretty good, pretty healthy. Zinc is in here as well, and calcium. So there you go. I don't remember if I've ever tried hemp milk. Maybe, but it's not something that I always get. I usually get almond or soy. And I'm actually trying to get almond more than soy these days because, I don't know, I kind of had a weird feeling after eating like tofu consecutively and drinking soy milk in my coffee consecutively. I started feeling a little like tender, and I don't know if it was the soy or not, but I figured stop the soy for a little bit, see if it helps, see if that feeling goes away, and it has gone away. So that's just like my little test. But I will research it more. All this time that I've been vegan, I haven't had any issues with soy, but I know that women do have to be more mindful of it and not do too much. So I may have been over that moderation range by having the tofu scrambles back to back, and then on top of that having the soy milk in my coffee. like, you know, consecutive days. But I will research it. So what else did I get? I got these organic vegetable broth, low sodium. These are to have when I am off of my master cleanse. This is part of the easing out, because you don't want to just jump back into eating heavy foods. You want to ease your stomach back into digestion. So they're vegan, fat-free, low sodium. I always get the low sodium ones because I don't want to like blow up on salt and overwhelm my body. And it's pretty tasty without all that salt. Just a little dash of salt with the veggies tastes really good. So I got those two. And what else did I get? Oh, I've been meaning to try these. It's a lot of drinks because of course I'm not buying a whole bunch of food right now. So I got these guys. They're the Topo Chico with a twist of lime. It's carbonated mineral water. And it's bottled at the source. It says Monterrey, Mexico, so that's fun. Has a little bit of salt in there, 15 milligrams, which is good because you know you need the electrolytes. And it has calcium. I guess that's part of the minerals. Like I really love drinking sparkling water, mineral water, because you're getting added benefits and not just the water itself. So I got 2 of these. And what else? I needed more dark maple syrup, so I got that. And if you're wondering how to make the master cleanse, I'll leave links in the description box. I did a few videos on that so far, so lots of good information about step to step how to make the recipe, and also some tips on how to make it easier. So if it's something that you've already done and you want some simple ways to do it. So I got some of this. I'm like almost out of dish soap. So I love the way that this smells. It smells really nice. And I got some champa because I love how this smells. Very relaxing. Can't ever have too many candles, incense, and essential oils. And the last 2 things I got, well, not last 2, last 3 things that I bought are, I've never seen this gum before. It's called Simply Gum. This is a natural ginger. And it just has organic raw cane sugar, natural flavor, vegetable glycerin, which I actually put that on my skin, organic rice flour, 15 pieces in here, and 1 piece has 3 calories, no sodium, 1 gram of sugar, no protein. So it's just like a very natural sugar, and it's vegan. So this is the ginger one. I thought that was really cool because I like to get the ginger, what are they called? Gin-gins. I like those from the health food store, little gin-gins. They're like, not lozenges, but like little candies. And they're very natural and good for you. And so this flavor is the cleanse. And it says that it has taste of grapefruit, prickly pear, cayenne, and sea salt. I was like, oh my God, that's so funny. Let me try it. They got me with that cleanse on there, and the cayenne, and the sea salt, and the grapefruit, and the prickly pear. So, got that. And then I got myself some flowers. Got myself some pink flowers. I thought these were so pretty. Terra Bublicus. That's what they're called, Terra Bublicus. They're a daisy. And it's so cute. Who put it together? Handmade by, and the person's name. So, whenever I go to a health food store, Wholefoods, I always pick up these free little publications that come out, Natural Awakening. So I'll just sit back, kick back and relax and read through that. And this is just like something else that's always there too, with like little ads and things. I don't know if you guys do that too. It's like, ooh, little free magazine with healthy stuff in there. But yeah, so that is all I got. Just wanted to pop in and say hi to you guys and show you my shopping for today. Ran out to Wholefoods, and I haven't done a haul like this with you guys in forever. So I just thought I would stop by and do it. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys have a great day and take care. Bye.